Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to use judge.me. It's one of the easiest tutorial which I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. The first thing you would need to do is just click on the bottom left corner settings. Once you click on that, you will end up over here and find apps and sales channels. Once you click on that, you will see all the applications which you have already installed and you are going to install judge.me also. Click on Shopify App Store from over here. It would take you to the App Store and you can just search judge.me over here. You will end up over here, just click on install. It's a free plan and there is also a premium plan, but most of the people are happy with the free plan also. Let me show you. So what you're going to do, just click on install application over here and wait for a while. So here we are. As you can see on the left side, we have our application installed over here. What you are going to do now, that you are going to go through some steps which judge.me required. So what you're going to do, just select your language over here, select your theme, whichever theme you are going to work on. And I'm going obviously for the current theme. Once you click on that, click on start setup. Click on start setup and then they will say that enable app embed in your customization. Just click on this. It will open up a new window and here you will see all the customization of your, your website. So once you open this, as you can see, this is the website product which I have and it has already been enabled, as you can see on the left side. And if you scroll down, you will see something available over here. But right now, we just needed to do this. We need to go back now again and click on next step. Once you click on next step, they will also ask you, which is going to be our second step, which is like install review widgets. So what you're going to do, just click on install widget again, and it would take you right over here in the customization menu again, and you are going to add that widget. How you gonna add that? So you can see over here, they have added by itself review widget over here. You just need to click only one time at the start from over here. Once you do that, make sure to save this, otherwise it won't work. On the top right corner, you can see we have save option. Click on this. Once it's saved, as you can see, go back and click on next step. Last but not least, click on install preview badge. Click on this and obviously they will do all the work for you and they will put all the, as you can see over here, star ratings they have added by itself. And that's it. After that, make sure to save it again and go back. Here we are. Click on finish and that's it. This is all you needed to do. So as you can see, we have 0 reviews right now. What we are going to do now, we are going to give a review to ourselves. If I open my store over here, this is the store, and if I open this mouse, and at the bottom you will see that we have judge.me. What I'm going to do now, just click on write a review and I'm going to give a title like perfect, or I'm going to enter a comments also, name like John, and you can enter email if you want. So I'm going with the very random one, John Adam and at gmail.com, and after that submit review. Once you click on submit review, you will see that we cannot see our review which we have given already. What happens that if you go back to your page and refresh, you will see that we received our review right now. Until you don't approve that review, you cannot publish reviews on your website. So if I click on manage on the left side, manage reviews, you will see that we have that review over here. Just click on this and click on publish over here, like publish reviews, or you can hide it or you can export also over here. So this is why judge.me is one of the best out there and people likely to use this application. And this is free version. As you can see, this is one of the best things which you can use, and you can use it out from judge.me. And until you don't agree with the review, or if you don't want to publish, you can hide it as much as you want. Once you publish this, if I click on this and publish review, you can see that published one review. And if I go back and restart this page, we have our review over here, which we recently published, right? So we can see that right now. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to use judge.me. And this is one of the easiest way to add product reviews on your product, obviously. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye-bye and take care.